Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I will show you just how easy it is to set up Cirra AI and connect it to your Salesforce org as a Kugamon user. Before following along, you will need to 1. Log into your Kugamon account, 2. You will need a Cirra AI account, 3. You will need an AI client subscription to either Claude Pro or ChatGPT Plus. Check out the video description below for shortcut links to get started with Cirra AI and an AI client subscription. For example, one of the shortcut links will guide you through how you can easily create and set up your Cirra AI account. Now, before we dive in, I want to paint you a picture. Imagine Cirra AI allows you to handle Salesforce tasks through AI clients like Claude or ChatGPT using simple instructions instead of manual configuration. This means that instead of manually navigating Salesforce or building everything by hand, you can now describe what you want to do, and Cirra AI helps execute those tasks inside Salesforce. This is especially useful for Kugamon users because it allows you to work even more easily and quickly when creating and managing opportunities, quotes, orders, and if you'd like, even subscriptions and billing, all directly within your existing Salesforce setup. This is the first video in a series that will show you how to handle Kugamon tasks like creating and managing opportunities, quotes, and orders. This video is solely focused on initial setup for end users. So if you are an admin and you're watching this, I do invite you to watch the admin version of the initial setup tutorial. And again, as mentioned already, you will need an account with Cirra AI and either Claude Pro or ChatGPT Plus, and links to sign up for those are included in the video description below. With that context, let's walk through how to get everything set up. Now, the first step here is from your Kugamon account. Scroll up to the URL and just copy the first part of the URL, essentially the section that is before the .develop.lightning, etc. It's more or less going to be a short URL. So just copy that, and then we're going to need to navigate into Cirra AI. So from the home page within Cirra AI, your screen should more or less look very similar to mine. When you scroll down, you're going to see Salesforce organizations, and then you're going to see a handful of different options. Depending on your situation, you might want to add an organization to production or developer. It really will vary on you. In my example, I'm going to add an organization within the developer section. So just ask yourself the question, where does it make the most sense for you? Once you figure that out, let's click on Add Organization. And for me, since I clicked into Developer, you're going to see a similar window pop up, and it's going to essentially select the one that you chose. And now here within the field, for me, it's org domain. We're just going to paste that domain that we copied from Kugamon. So once you have that inputted, click Submit. And now you should see a similar login screen like you do on my screen here. And all we want to do is click Login. Okay, so now we get the success notification, and when you scroll down, you can see that your Kugamon account has been connected to Cirra AI. So good job. Now let's open Cloud in a new tab and click into your user icon near the bottom left. Then click into Settings, and then click into Connectors. And here, click into Add Custom Connector. Within the name field, just type Cirra AI, and within the URL field below it, you're going to paste this URL. Now this URL is referenced within the video description, so you can just quickly take a look and copy and paste that into your own window. When you have these two fields inputted, click Add. Okay, and then we're going to click Connect, allow access. All right, now we're connected. Super easy. Next, let's go to Capabilities and then scroll down to where it says Skills. So here we will need to upload a new skill, but before you click on the add button, we need to download that Kugamon skill. So hop back into the video description and locate the section that says Kugamon Claude Skill, and there's a URL there. So just click into that URL to download the zip file, and that is what we are going to be uploading to this skill section. So when you have that, let's click Add and then upload a skill. And then you can upload or drag it. Okay. So I have just uploaded that exact zip file. So you should more or less be seeing the same thing on your screen as you do on mine. Congratulations, you're done with the setup. If you are an admin, you may want to watch the admin version of this setup tutorial, which can be referenced within the video description. But if you are an end user, you're invited to check out video 2 of this series, which can also be referenced in the video description. See you there.